Good morning! Dito tayo ngayon sa papuntang Dampalit. Dampalit Falls. So, another adventure na naman sa Carly's. I'm off. So, let's go. Samahan niyo ako.
Sometimes, all you need is a quick escape from the busy world. Today, we're heading to a hidden gem just a few hours from Manila, Dampalit Falls in Los Baños, Laguna.
So, ito yung daan ngayon, yung tinatawag natin yung daan papuntang Dampalit Falls. Medyo mabato siya. So, ito slippery trail.
Hindi mo tayo alam sa patio. Hindi, yung anong hawak namin.
Yung ano? Tabi ko! Go!
Itong tanong, may baril pa ba?
Ito na.
Hawakan mo na.
So, may entrance fee dito na 20 pesos per head. Kasama ko ngayon yung aking travel buddies.
Yan po pa rin train.
Ito na.
Ito Kyle. Hindi ko lang, para mabarihan saan.
Meron kaming kasamang tour guide. Kasi bawal daw walang tour guide. Nawan ko lang pero ito. So, tinatahak na natin yung daan. Yung trail going to Dampalit Falls. So, a new adventure. Excited na ako kasi first time ka rin dito.
Located at the foot of Mount Makiling, Dampalit Falls is a perfect mix of short adventure and refreshing nature. From the town proper, it's just a quick tricycle or jeepney ride to the jump-off point. If you own a vehicle, there's a parking near the area going to the falls. You just have to pay for the parking fee. We paid 50 pesos.
So, yung daan niya is very narrow din. And slippery at this time kasi kauulan lang kahapon.
The trail is beginner friendly, just about 10 to 15 minutes of light walking. You'll pass by peaceful trees, small streams, and the sound of birds and water guiding your way. Whether you're here to swim, meditate, or just breathe fresh air, Dampalit Falls offers that rare kind of peace you can't find in the city.
So, ito na siya. So, ito na yan. So, ito na. Yung Dampalit Falls. So we've reached our destination. We're already here at Dampalit Falls. So, tingnan natin yung falls itself. Ganda niya. The water current is strong right now. The last time kasi dito, yung pumunta yung anak ko, sabi niya walang water. Kasi summer noon. But since it's the rainy season, malakas yung water. Ayan siya. Ang ganda niya. Pag nakita mo. Oo. Okay lang? Pipicturean ko kayo? Ayaw niya. Ang ganda. Kita mo yung falls, ang ganda niya, oh. Yung water. It's very awesome. If nature lover ka, oh. The water is so beautiful.
Sapatos pa rin.
Ganda niya. The water current now is very strong and the wind, it's so cold din. Siguro gawa ng water, and yesterday kahapon, umuulan kasi may typhoon kahapon, although hindi naman kami directly affected. Well, it rained all day then. So dito kami. See? It's very beautiful. It's really worth the travel. So, sinadya talaga namin siyang puntahan para mapakita namin sa inyo yung beauty ng Dampalit Falls. Let's try kung malamig yung water. Natin! Lamig ng water. Ang ganda niya.
keep in mind that not every escape needs to be far expensive. Sometimes, a little hike and a hidden waterfall is all you need. See you all on our next Carly's adventure. Don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel.